The site plan can take hours to draft or hundreds of dollars to outsource. I know there's rates here in the St. Louis area anywhere from $150 to $600 for a site plan, depending on what you're needing. So the address I'm entering in here is an actual address. The software actually pulls actual GIS data from the county's GIS records. As you can see, the property lines are already measured, marked, and in the right places, and that's again from the actual GIS records. So now you can place sections of the house or the structures in blocks and then just trace over the roof line, which is typically how most draftsmen do it now, but they're actually using CAD software to do it. Here there is no CAD software. You're soon about to find out the magic of PlotForge. Once those boxes are in place, hit Finish House and Merge. Those are our pieces. Now we're going to place the driveway. Driveway is important to place for most site plans, especially an egress window here in St. Louis. Now I keep referring to St. Louis. This software is actually available everywhere in the United States. Any place I can pull GIS data. We've got new areas coming online every day. If you make a mistake or something is wrong, it tells you up there, as it just showed in the upper portion of the screen. Now we're placing our property line pointers. These pointers can be used for anything. They can be used to point structures out. You just rename the pointer there. As you can see, I toggled off the aerial layer to make it clearer on where we're placing the property lines. I shortened the description on the egress window. Now in order to rotate that, we do have to slip the aerial back on just so I can see the rotate handle. Let it get rotated. We do plan on, actually, as you can see, the setbacks are coming up automatically. The structure from the property line, also the house from the property line. Real soon, probably within the next day or so, we'll have measurements of the new structure from the nearest corner of the property. Now we're typing in the title block areas. This is what will fill the title block. You also have the ability to not export with the title block. Everything's in and ready. Hit export as a PDF. There you have it, folks. Completed site plan. That's PlotForge.